also she's mentioned radio interferometry. That is something still looking into. I need to conduct some sort of a survey and see how we are in the way of interference, just to avoid any confusion, specifically when it comes to the optical aspect of the telescope array. I thought I'd take this time just to share a few images we've been able to capture from our Bortle 5 skies in the UK. Producing these images isn't simply a case of just pointing the telescope at the sky and pressing a button and hoping for the best. As soon as data acquisition is complete, the images themselves, or the data rather, still needs to be processed. The Unicorn. With nearly 8 hours of exposure time, you can see the intricate detail in the swirling gas and dust, forming what looks like the petals of a cosmic rose. This image brings both halves of this stunning nebula into one frame, revealing the intricate nature of this ancient stellar event. This image took over 14 hours to capture, but seeing all of the vibrant hydrogen gas and detail makes it so worth it. This image, with over 16 hours of integration time, reveals vibrant hues of ionized gas and intricate dust lanes, showcasing the nebula's role as a celestial nursery where new stars are born. This is M101. This is a star that has reached the end of its life in a spectacular explosion, releasing more energy in a few weeks than our Sun will in its entire lifetime. Here's a view of the Cygnus star cloud, home to the Tulip Nebula. This area of sky and the constellation Cygnus is packed with stars and glowing hydrogen gas. With over 15 hours of exposure time, you can see the subtle areas and curves that give the Tulip Nebula its name. The region of the Milky Way, so rich with detail, you could spend hours exploring it. The Andromeda Galaxy, our cosmic neighbour, is 2.5 million light years away. On a clear night, you can actually see it with the naked eye. With over 21 hours of integration time, this picture reveals its spiral arms, dense core, and some of its satellite galaxies. One day, billions of years in the future, Andromeda will merge with the Milky Way to form a completely new galaxy. The Lion Nebula, one of the faintest and most challenging targets I've ever captured. It's located in the constellation Cepheus. Its subtle detail demands patience. 55 hours of exposures went into this target. Capturing 55 hours worth of data in the UK is exceedingly difficult, so I partnered with a friend in order to be able to capture that amount of data in a time that was reasonable, shall we say.